Hello everyone, Namaste. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am sharing recipe of a kind of ice cream, Mango Kulfi. If you like the recipe, then do share and subscribe. It's very easy to make Mango Kulfi, so let's get started. In a wok or a kadai, we'll boil 2 cups of milk, stirring it continuously till it thickens and reduces to 1/3 its amount. As we can see, the milk has started thickening. So after continuously stirring the milk for 10 minutes, the milk has thickened now. We'll add in this 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of pistachio pieces, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I am using sugar powder. We'll turn off the gas and let this mixture cool. Mango Kulfi. We'll cut the top portion of the mango and keep it reserved. Carefully we will scrape the sides of the seed of the mango to loosen the seed. Once it is loosened, we'll remove the seed from the mango. Reseeding the mango, whatever pulp fell down, we'll collect it and put it back in the mango. Then we'll add the milk mixture in this. We'll fill up the mango with the thickened milk mixture. We'll place the top portion of the mango and let this mango freeze in the freezer for at least 8 to 10 hours or overnight. After freezing the mango for 8 hours, we'll let it rest outside for 10 minutes. We'll remove the top portion of the mango. We'll peel off the skin of the mango. Carefully we will cut the mango into slices. So our mango kulfi is ready to serve. Enjoy with your family and friends. See you next week with another recipe. Thank you.